Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a flight reservation online without paying. Alright, let's begin. The website I used is Onward Ticket. They provide a verified flight reservation within 60 seconds. Click Book Now to start. Choose your route and flight date. I will select a one-way flight from London to Manila on the 30th of April. Enter your email, first and last name. To add more passengers, click the plus icon. Click the green arrow button. You can receive your ticket immediately or a few days before departure. I will receive it now. Select the currency and proceed. The website will check for available flights and reserve a spot for you. Here is a flight ticket from London to Manila on the 30th of April. The ticket is valid for 48 hours. Accept the terms and conditions. The one-time fee is $16. Click Confirm and Pay. You can pay using a credit card or PayPal. Once payment is complete, wait a few minutes for booking confirmation. You can then download your ticket. To verify, go to the airline's website, enter the booking reference, and retrieve your booking. So that's basically how you can make a flight reservation online without paying. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.